Let's build. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be continuing the work in progress for the Gundam G Portent, which has been sitting around in my backlogs for some time. Now, I'm changing the plans for the custom of this because the original plan that I mentioned in the previous video is not working, or I realized that it is not something that is workable for the kit. So after watching again a few episodes of Build Fighters Try where this kit was featured, I realized that I'll go for a different route for the custom plan. So we're bringing out the hand saw blades that I purchased recently. We are going to cut off or saw off a piece, a part of the butt flap, if we may call it, so to make like a sort of storage area that has a hinge system. Now I don't have any gunpla parts that might work for the hinge system, so I might end up making a new piece made from flat plates and whatnot. So now that I have cut the piece, we can begin to discuss the next part of the plan for this custom, which is to make the drones which you see in the episode Build Fighters, where Shia Kijima repairs her G Portent using specially made drone thingies. So for the repair drones, I used pieces of flat plate that I cut to size and then glued together. One of the pieces actually has the mechanism or the glue applicator, so that needle is actually just a tip of a sign pen. For the flat plate holding repair drones, I just cut off some parts from the bread clips and then just sawed in some section to make it look like it can hold flat plates. And I actually plan to make them really hold flat plates later on. Now I'm going to show you how I built the hinge part or the hinge system using flat plates and the plastic rod part of cotton swabs. Glue because the pieces don't seem to melt or meld completely when I use the plastic cement. So the super glue actually gives more rigidity, I think is the term. And then I'll just fill in some putty into the parts that I want to, make thicker, or to fill any gaps left by this process. complete the plan for how to store and use the repair drones is to have some magnets attached to it, and then I used a strip of scrap metal filament that I found somewhere so that I can properly store the drones inside the butt flap. And so guys, here is the final look before painting of the custom part that I made with the little drones inside. Unfortunately, because of the size of the drones that I made, I only ended up being able to fit in like 3 pieces. Now you'll notice I also covered the hole that was caused by the original custom plan for the holster. It actually added a little detail to the kit as well. And so that's all for the work in progress update for the G Portent. And if you like the video, please consider giving it a like, a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel a lot. And I'll see you guys next time.